sat beside the road of life and watched it pass me by. I begged for crumbs of charity, but no one heard my cry. And when it seemed my destiny that I would surely lose, the Savior came and offered me what I could not refuse. From my rags to His riches, yeah, He made an even trade. His beauty for my ashes, and I love the tear He made. Now I feel like a millionaire. All my cares He carried away. I went from rags to His riches on that day. Yeah. Well, I had conflict in my life. Now I am rich in peace. And though I lived